Now that we have learned all about dimensioning and all about AutoCAD dimensioning, let's put that to practice. So if we go and look at your assignment for today, the first thing you're going to do is what we've been doing, setting up your layers and such. Then you're going to create a text style, and here is the information for that. And then you're going to go through all of the setup for the dimensions. You're going to make sure that yours matches each one of these settings on each one of the tabs. And then you're going to do the same thing for the multi-leaders. You're going to go through and you're going to set that up. Again, it's very, very important that you put the right text styles in both of those. Then you're going to set that annotation scale in model space at 1 to 2. After setting your scale properly, you're going to go to the dimensioning and drawing attachment, and on the first one, which is the outlet check valve, you are to draw the front view and the right side view, and I have those indicated here. The center of the front view is to be at 0, 0, and the center of the right view is to be at 5, 0. Now don't let this drawing mislead you. You are not drawing a section. It has a section cut out of it just so you understand how the piece is put together. Yours will be a solid object with the hole through the middle. Then you're going to do the can opener handle. On this one, because it's just a thin piece of material, you only need to draw the top view. The hole on the left side of the handle should be at 0, 15. The third one is the connecting pipe link. Draw the front view and right side view. The center of the front view is to be at 30, 0. Center of the left side of the right view is to be at 34, 0. Again, this is the front view. This is the right view. As with the first drawing, you are not drawing sections. Once you have completed the drawings, you need to go in and put in the appropriate dimensions. These particular drawings may not have every dimension on them, but as a minimum, you should make sure you put each of these dimensions on there. You may see that you need to add some others. You can change how things are dimensioned. And I'm going to give you a heads up. It may be a little challenging to get some of the dimensions on there the way that you want them to. I have done that intentionally based on the scale that you're going to be drawing the objects at. They may not all be the exact same size. One may be really large and one may be smaller. So draw the necessary views for each problem. Use the appropriate dimensioning methods and commands to dimension each problem. When you're completed, you are to zoom extents and save your drawing. Make sure your AutoCAD drawing is named correctly and saved in your OneDrive in the appropriate folder. Then you will use the Submit Assignment button in the upper right hand corner of the AutoCAD dimensioning assignment and be sure to attach your CAD drawing. It's worth 100 points. Here's the rubric for it. I do want to go back to the previous page. Your quiz will actually be April the 12th, and here is a study guide for it. After this class, we will move on into sections. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know.